Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will do subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. We had done addition of rational numbers in my previous video and you were asked to solve the exercise also, which you all must have done. So if you have understood, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I will clear it. So let's begin the class. And to start with subtraction, let me just revise with what we did in the previous class. That is evaluate. So we had numbers together which had to be added and subtracted. And as you all know, when there are two fractions with similar sign, they are to be added with that particular sign. Like if there are two rational numbers with positive signs, they are to be added with a positive sign. If there are two rational numbers with negative signs, they are also to be added but with the negative sign. But if there are two fractions, one with a positive sign and one with a negative sign, you are supposed to subtract them and put the bigger number's sign, which we had done it in the previous class. One example I have taken here, which is minus 5 by 18 minus and minus 2 by 9. So minus and minus is plus. So you have minus 5 by 18 and 2 by 9. What is the LCM of 18 and 9? It is 18. So 2 is multiplied here. It becomes 4 by 18. Minus 5 plus 4. Subtraction and the bigger number sign. So minus 1 by 18. Today we will do subtraction where the second number sign gets changed. So let's do one question, and the question is subtract 5 by 8 from minus 3 by 8. So for number 1, from means this number will be written first, minus 3 by 8, subtract, so minus sign, the number is 5 by 8. Since you have LCM 8, because both the denominators are 8, so your LCM 8, the numerators minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8 by 8, which is equal to minus 1. 8 and 8 get cancelled. Okay. The second question is minus 9 by 22 from 5 by 33. So we write it here for number 2. It is 5 by 33 minus 9 by 22. So you get 5 by 33 minus and minus 5 plus 9 by 22. What is the LCM? 33, 22. With 11 you get 3 and 2. With 3 you get 1 and 2 here. And with 2 you get 1 and 1. So 11 into 3 into 2 is equal to 66 is the LCM. This is the rough work which you all have to do it. Now this is equal to 5 into 2, 33 into 2 plus 9 into 3, 22 into 3. So you get 10 by 66 plus 27 by 66. That is equal to 37 by 66. So these are the basic steps of subtraction. I have jotted down another question here, which is, the question says, the sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. If one of them is 2 by 5, find the other number. So, you all know the rule, the other number is equal to sum minus 1 of the numbers. So that is equal to 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. What is the LCM of 20 and 5? 20 and 5 is 2, 10, 5. Again 2, 5, 5. Again 5. It is 1, 1. So 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 20. This is the LCM. So your answer will be 9 minus 2 into 2 by 5 into 2, that is equal to 4. So 9 minus 8 by 20 is equal to 1 by 20. We have repeated the steps of subtraction once again. Children, you have done it last year, but it is just a revision once again so that solving the exercise becomes simpler. One more question I've jotted down here. Which rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? And the required number is equal to 5 by 9 minus 7 by 8. So your 5 by 9 plus 7 by 8. 8 will be multiplied here, 9 will be multiplied here. So you get 40 plus 63 by 72. How did you get that? The LCM is 9 into 8, 72. You are multiplying 8 here, 5 8s are 40. You are multiplying 9 here, 9 7s are 63. So your answer is 103 by 72. Please put it in the form of the mixed fraction which you all have done. So these were some of the sums based on subtraction which we have done. And the next topic that I am going to take up is multiplication as well as division. So first let's do with multiplication of the rational numbers. Here we go. How to multiply. Now if I say minus 125 by 72 into 9 by minus 5 and you have to multiply, then your first ones it is minus 125 by 72 into 9 by minus 5. You all were taught last year how to cancel. So, and you are doing it with a pencil, always remember. So 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, 5 ones are 5, 5 25s are 125. So now what you get, 25 into 1 is 25, 8 into 1 is 8, minus and minus cancels, minus minus plus. So your answer is 3 whole 1 by 8. These are the steps of multiplication. You have done it, children, but I've just put it so that you get a proper revision. If you have any doubt, children, please don't forget to put it in the comment section. I will clear it. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. So we go to the next question, the second one. And the question is 2 by 7 into minus 14 by 9. So we cancel again. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what do you get? The answer is minus 4 by 9. How? 2 twos are 4, minus sign, 9 ones are 9, minus 4 by 9. Now we go to the next question. So the next question is evaluate, and you have two rational numbers multiplied, subtract with again the product of two rational numbers. So your method is the first fraction minus 5 into 2 by 15 minus second fraction minus 6 into 2 by 9. How do we cancel? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So what do you get now? It is minus 1 by 3 and minus 4 by 3, which is actually minus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, and 2 ones are 2. And your answer now is 2 by 3. So, product first because it is put in the bracket. Product first because again it is there in the bracket. Then we remove the sign as minus minus plus. Both the denominators same, so the LCM is same. 4 minus 2 is 2 and the answer is 2 by 3. Okay. Now we go to the next question. And the question is, verify that the multiplication is commutative with these two fractions. And how do we go by it? What do we actually have to prove? This we have done it for addition always. I showed it in the last video and you all must have solved the exercise, so you know about it, but still I'll do it for you. That is minus 1 by 5 into 2 by 9 should be equal to 2 by 9 into minus 1 by 5. So if we say LHS, left hand side, it is minus 1 by 5 into 2 by 9. Nothing to get cancelled, so you get minus 2 by 45. If you do for RHS, you have 2 by 9 into minus 1 by 5. Again minus 2 by 45. And we get that LHS and RHS are same. Therefore, the statement is correct and multiplication is commutative. That is minus 1 by 5 into 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 into minus 1 by 5. Now a very simple question to find out the reciprocal. You all know how we alter the numerator and denominator. The numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. So the reciprocal of 5 by 11 becomes 11 by 5. The reciprocal of 5 by minus 17 becomes minus 17 by 15. And the reciprocal of minus 8 by 3 into 13 by minus 7 will be, we don't have anything to cancel over here, so the answer is minus 104 by minus 21. Minus minus gets cancelled and the reciprocal becomes 21 by 104. So this was all about the common steps of multiplication. Please solve the exercise. The more you solve, the more better it becomes, because calculation and calculating correctly becomes better and better if you solve more and more sums. All these you will get in the description box, so if you want to refer later, please check the description box. All the notes will be put there. Now the next topic that we will take is division. Okay, but before division I will be doing one more verification question for multiplication, and the question is that verify that if you multiply x to y minus z, it should be x into y minus y into z. And the question I have taken, x is 4 by 5, y is minus 7 by 4 and z is 3. So according to the question, I have to write x, so it is 4 by 5 into, then bracket, y is minus 7 by 4 minus z, that is 3. This should be equal to 4 by 5 into minus 7 by 4 minus 4 by 5 into 3. So if I do LHS first, I have 4 by 5 into, here 4 and denominator is 1, so the LCM is 4. Therefore 4 has to be multiplied here, so minus 7 minus 12 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 5 into minus 19 by 4. The common number 4 gets cancelled, 1 and 1, and the answer is equal to minus 19 by 5. Now if I have to do RHS, right hand side, the product is 4 by 5 into minus 7 by 4 minus 4 by 5 into 3. Now again, the common number 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 gets cancelled, and your answer is minus 7 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Now both the LCM 5, because denominator is 5, minus 7 minus 12, and the answer is minus 19 by 5. So LHS and RHS are equal, therefore it is verified. Now we go to division. Again, division is also repetition, you all know about it, but still I want to do it once with you so that it becomes easy. And the question taken here is 3 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 12. So 3 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 12, and the method is first fraction division changes into multiplication, the second fraction's reciprocal, minus 12 by 5, and the common factor to be cancelled, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So your answer becomes minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, 5 into 1 is 5. This is question number 1. If we have to solve question number 2, it is minus 5 by 8 by 1 by 4. That is minus 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. That is first fraction, minus 5 by 8. Division changes into multiplication. Second fraction's reciprocal, that is 4 by 1. Again, the common 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So your answer becomes minus 5 by 2. I have taken one more question for you and I will read it to you. The product of two numbers is minus 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 2 by 27, find the other number. So, the other number is equal to product divided by one of the numbers, that is equal to minus 4 by 9 divided by minus 2 by 27. So minus 4 by 9 into reciprocate 27 minus 2, cancel, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So your answer is 2 threes are 6. 1 and 1 we don't need to write, minus and minus it becomes plus. So these are the basic steps which you should follow for any verification question or the division sums. So children, we have done addition in the previous video. Today we did subtraction, multiplication and division. So please, you all solve the exercise till this, and I will meet you in the next video with another topic. Till then, all the questions of your exercise, please solve. As much as you solve, the better it is. And please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and do hit the bell icon to get notified about my next video.